Why your ex has to learn the hard way to truly miss you. If your ex had broken up with you recently, I'm sure you're devastated and trying hard to make sense of the whole situation. This may involve wanting to contact your ex and talk to them to try to resolve everything and get back together again. You are in chaos right now, and wanting to go back to how things were in the first place is absolutely normal. However, it may happen no matter how many times you contact your ex, and no matter how hard you try to work things out. They just won't budge. They cut ties with you, block you on social media, block your number, and avoid you in public. Before we begin, subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist. So click or tap the subscribe button now to not miss out. This isn't easy, and if this is your situation, then my heart goes out to you. I know how difficult it must be, but no matter how desperate your situation might seem and how awful you must feel, you should know that there is a way out of it all. There is a way to fix your situation and come out on top as a winner. By the end of this video, you will know how to leave your ex wondering and to want to go back to you. Or you can even learn how to gather the strength just to walk out of the relationship like a winner and leave everything behind. To simply move on with your life and be happy once again, because that is all that matters. Now, on to the topic. Why does your ex need to learn the hard way in order to realize how much they miss you and that they want to come back to you? The answer is simple. If they broke up with you, their breakup for them wasn't something new. They knew and planned it for days or weeks now, and in their mind, this is how things must go. Even if it is hard for your ex too, he or she has their mind made up already. But for you, on the other hand, this is all new and an unpleasant surprise. This is why you desperately try to contact them and get back together. However, leaving a break in the communication and applying the no contact rule will make your ex wonder why you aren't contacting them. Why is it that you seem distant and indifferent and you aren't as desperate and heartbroken as they might have thought you were? Namely, your ex needs to experience a tough breakup to realize that this isn't what they wanted. They thought they wanted to break up with you, but actually, this isn't what they want. Being without you isn't something they're okay with, and they want to get you back. Until this happens, until they have it difficult just like you have it, they won't change their mind and won't want to get back to you. The one that breaks up in the relationship is the one that is in control, and as long as your ex is in control, they won't feel the loss that you feel when you're broken up with. Once they feel the loss and they realize they are no longer in control, then they want to make amends and talk things through and maybe even make up. But how do you get them to lose control and feel just as bad about the breakup as you do? Well, by taking that control away from them. By making them feel that at some point in the future they could want you back, but you won't be available anymore. This is the key to making your ex learn the hard way that they actually didn't want to end the relationship with you and they want you back. Hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist. And you'll never miss our videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, if you have a story you want to share with me or other people watching this video in the Modern Love Potion community, write a comment below. Okay, so where were we? Well, what is the no contact rule and how can you apply it to make your ex miss you and want to come back to you? On our channel, we have lots of videos about what is the no contact rule, how to apply the no contact rule, and the stages of desperation your ex goes through once they break up with you and you apply the no contact rule. These videos are an absolute success in helping our clients and viewers get their exes back or simply learn how to move on and be happy once again. Whatever your choice may be, our video advice has the answer to it. So in order to take back control and have your ex coming to beg you for forgiveness and wanting to come back, you have to be independent, strong, and not show any signs that you might miss them and desperately wait for them to come back to you. You have to show that you are okay with their decision and have moved on. So next time they try to reach out to you, you won't be available and desperately waiting for their call. Everyone I have coached usually makes this same mistake over and over again, and when they realize it, it's usually too late. Namely, if you make yourself too available to your ex and they reach out to you and get you every time they want to, then they will never want to get back to you. We want things we cannot have, in love or otherwise in life. So apply the no contact rule and make your ex realize that they cannot have you anytime they like. This way, you win. You take the control back, and they are now the ones that need to come back and try to make up if they want to be with you again. Once you realize this and you understand the power of the no contact rule, you are invincible. Now, you can get your ex back and make them miss you. But the best part is that you can also apply a version of the no contact rule during the relationship. This way, you remain in control. You hold power and control in the relationship and know how to make it exciting and interesting for you and your partner, so they never want to break up with you again. When it comes to teaching your ex a lesson about your relationship, it's important to be smart about it. The less emotions you feel, the easier it will be. This is a key to taking control from them. Feel free to check the rest of the material we have on our channel on the no contact rule and how to apply it so that you can make your ex learn the hard way. If you want to know how likely your chances are getting back with your ex, click our Ex Back quiz in the first description below. Also, if you want to see our best videos, click the videos on the screen now. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on any of our videos, and I'll see you next week.